Okay, now you should have your Chumash open. Again, make sure that you're looking at book of Shemot. Okay, on the outside it says Shemot. You open up to page Aleph, to the first page, and it should look like this. Okay, I want to give you a little bit of a overview of what you're looking at, and then we're going to start discussing some of the psukim and answering some of the questions in the bottom of page number 1. Okay, so first of all, here at the top it tells you the name of the Sefer, Shemot, Aleph, that's the first chapter. Shemot is the name of the Parsha. Okay, so a book always begins with a Parsha that has the same name. Like for example, the first book is Bereshit, and the first Parsha of Bereshit is Bereshit. The same thing in Shemot, the book of Shemot, the first Parsha is Shemot. The same thing is in Vayikra. The book of Vayikra is the third book. The first Parsha is Vayikra. That's why it says Shemot twice. Once is the name, the other one is the name of the Parsha. Okay, the next thing that we're looking at is here. Here's the big Aleph is the Perek. And this Aleph tells you that this is Pasuk Aleph. So usually when I ask you to open up your Chumash, I will not tell you to open up to page Aleph or page Tet or so on. I'll tell you open up to Perek Aleph, Pasuk Aleph or Pasuk Bet. So this is where the Psukim are shown. And this is the Pasuk. In this page there's only one Pasuk in the beginning of the next Pasuk. And here at the bottom we have many commentaries. So for example, here's Rashi. This is the commentary of Rashi. And with time, we're going to be learning other commentaries like the Ramban, okay, or the Chizkuni, or the Seforno. These are commentaries that later on, as we get more comfortable and start dealing with other questions, we're going to be looking at their commentaries. The commentaries are coming to ask questions, to clarify things, to explain deeper understandings of the Psukim. So we begin. Ve'ele Shemot Bnei Israel, these are the names of the Bnei Israel, Abayim Mitzrayma, that are coming to Mitzrayim, to Egypt, Et Yaakov, with Yaakov, Ish Ubeito Bahu. Each person came with his family, with his home. And this is the end of the Pasuk, right? The two dots show that that's the end of the Pasuk. Okay, we go to the next Pasuk. And it says Ruvain. Now we go to the next page. Pasuk continues. Shimon, Levi, and Yehuda. Alright, it mentions 4 names. Ruvain, Shimon, Levi, and Yehuda. End of the Pasuk. Okay, the next Pasuk says, this is Pasuk Gimel, Issachar, Zevulun, Ubinyamin. The names are Issachar, Zevulun, and Binyamin. End of the Pasuk. The next Pasuk Dalet, Dan veNaftali, Gad veAsher. Okay, the next 4 sons, Dan, Naphtali, Gad, and Asher. Okay, now if you look at question number 1 at the bottom of your notes, so question number 1 says refer to Psukim Aleph through Dalet, the first 4 Psukim. And it asks, what do these Psukim discuss? And you will answer, right, it tells us the names of the sons of Yaakov that came with him to Mitzrayim. It mentions the names of the sons of Yaakov that came with him to Mitzrayim. Okay, that's the answer to question number 1. Now, we're going to look in the Chumash, back on page 1, at the very beginning, to answer the next question, which is telling us, look at the Chizkuni, Dibur HaMatchil, that starts with the words, Abayim Mitzrayma. The Pasuk said that are coming to Mitzrayim. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to translate the Dibur HaMatchil. The Dibur HaMatchil is the words of the Pasuk that the commentary is going to explain. In this case, the Dibur HaMatchil is Abayim Mitzrayma. That's why they are in quotation marks. Okay? They are taken from the Pasuk. The translation of those words, Abayim Mitzrayma, is that are coming to Mitzrayim. Okay? That's the translation. That are coming to Mitzrayim. That's what the Pasuk told us about Yaakov and his family. Now we're going to take a look at the Chumash. Okay, so now we're looking here at the commentary on page 1, the Chizkuni. Okay, he's one of the commentaries on the Tanakh, and he is going to explain the following. It says, Abayim Mitzrayma. This is the Dibur HaMatchil. Abayim Mitzrayma. They are coming to Mitzrayim. So he has a question on those words, which maybe you're thinking about the same question. It says, they are coming to Mitzrayim. Maybe you figure out the question. Aya lo lichtov, he should have said, Asher ba'u. He should have said that they came, because the pasuk is telling us what already happened. So when it's writing it, it should have said in the past tense that they came to Mitzrayim, not that are coming to Mitzrayim. So that's his question. So if you go to your notes, the question Chizkuni is going to answer is, why does it say it in the present tense? It should have said in past tense that they came. Why is it written in present tense? Okay, now let's go back to the Chizkuni and we're going to see what his answer is. Okay, so right after his Dibur HaMatchil, his question, Aya lo lichtov asher ba'u, where he asked, they should have said that they came. Here is his answer. Ela mitoch achzariut. It was because of the cruelty Shayu Mitzrayim osim lahem, that the Egyptians did to them. Achar mitat Yosef, after Yosef passed away. Yosef was the last brother to pass away. So once he passed away, the Egyptians turned to be very, very cruel to the Jews. And therefore, ayu nirim lahem bechol yom, it seemed to them each day, keilu em ba'im achshav, like if they just got here now. Meaning, the cruelty was so intense, it was so horrible for the Jews, that every day felt like a new thing. They couldn't get used to it. So that's why it says they are coming to Mitzrayim, because every day was like a new level of cruelty. Okay, let's go back to your notes. Okay, his answer is that since the Egyptians were so cruel to the Jews, it felt each day like they just arrived there. They couldn't get used to the cruelty, and therefore it's written in the present tense, as if they are coming now.